Waka Kingdom is the realest post edit. I'm gonna keep it short. In this video, I'll show you how your mind can make you do anything, man. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Peace. Let's try a one hand push up. Very wide grip. I don't even think I can do it. Fuck it. You see me? I nearly catch. I caught myself with a bad mindset, saying that I possibly couldn't do it. If somebody can, why can't I? You feel me? I can do this. It might be the worst form yet in history, but I will do this right now. Kinda did it. Did I go low? No. Was it the best form? No. But this is one step in the right direction. Trust me, bro. Before the song starts, I can do a one arm push up. Let's try it one more time. So, yes, sir. That was actually it. That was actually it already. I believe so. See, it's all about mindset. I started it off saying, wait, I couldn't do it. And then it was terrible. But I said, fuck it, I'll do it one more time, and look what happened. It went 10 times better already. Could do anything you set your mind to, man. If you don't believe it, gotta read that shit talk sure. But if you don't believe that, it's okay. Don't worry. I will show you that you can do anything you set your mind to. I will show you at where I am right now and where I will be in the end of our journey. I'm not there at all. At all. But I know I can do it. Why? Because I believe your mind is the strongest thing in this fucking world. You see that shit? I was fucking talking to y'all niggas. Gotta hear it, man. I swear. Your mind is your most powerful weapon, man. If you're here on this channel, we gon' work our minds. We're the greatest weapons in history. We will be in any place we wanna be because we worked on our mind first, man. The realest. I'm actually happy that I did that. I'm actually baffled that I actually can do it. And if I know some of you in the comments will say, yo, your feet should be closer, that, bro. And due time, trust me, it will get better. But now, let me enjoy this.